Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Roku Stick 4K, beginner guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Roku Stick 4K and gather all the accessories. Plug the Roku Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. If your TV has a USB port, connect the Roku's power cable to it. Otherwise, plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the corresponding HDMI input. You should see the Roku logo on the screen shortly. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote. Insert the included batteries into the remote if not already done. Once paired, select your language preference from the list provided. Connect the Roku to your home Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once connected, the Roku Stick will check for updates. This might take a few moments, so be patient. After updates are installed, you will reach the home screen. Sign in to your Roku account if you have one, or create a new account. Adding channels can be done now or later. Select your desired channels. Popular options include Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Your Roku Stick is now set up and ready for use. Explore the interface to discover more features and settings. Enjoy streaming your favorite content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.